Today, we gather not only to celebrate the addition of this new facility to our growing university, but also, more importantly, to honor the life and legacy of an extraordinary Nigerian whose commitment to the pursuit of justice and education is truly inspiring. The Professor Yusuf Olaolu Ali Twin Lecture Theatre stands as a testament to two of the various core values that we hold there at Thomas Adewumi University. These two are sustainability and waste to wealth.
So I'm an engineer. Power generation is my business, civil engineering. But why do I need education? I saw that the system that produced me was disappearing in my own eyes, particularly in my community. So I felt I need to do something here that can rescue the education. So I had to sell some things out. I had a practical wonderful project. I sold it to be able to get some initial capital to start what I was doing. But God rescued that mission for me. And I want to especially thank you for choosing this university, for your relationship with the Vice Chancellor. So, therefore, I just trust God that God will make it work here. And God has been very, very faithful. What cost many people hundreds of millions, God is helping us to do it very good.
I stand before you today humbled and profoundly appreciative with a grateful heart as we gather to commission this magnificent twin lecture theatre that bears my name. I am overwhelmed with emotion and I don't take this honor lightly. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to the proprietor, the founder of this university, a very dear brother and friend, Engineer Dr. J.P.O. Adewumi. We dedicate this building to the glory of God Almighty and the use of humanity, and that all those who come here will be better than they came when they were living. God made it so, and may this be the beginning of more and more important things in the life of this university and the owners of the university.
Amen.
This occasion is very significant. For me, it's more of unveiling Professor Yusuf Ali, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, a highly revered lawyer in Nigeria. And it's not flattering. Professor Ali has earned a place in the practice of law in Nigeria.